In this video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two charts in TradingView. This is perfect if you want to analyze two different assets side by side on the same graph. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account so your settings and preferences are saved. Next, go to the Products tab at the top of the page to access all the available tools from TradingView. Then, select Supercharts to open the advanced charting interface where most of the magic happens. After that, click the plus button at the top left corner of the chart. This is your entry to comparison mode. Now, search for the crypto, stock, or coin chart you want to add. Once you click it, it will automatically appear on your existing chart as a new line for easy comparison. Bonus tip: use the compare or add symbol tool multiple times to analyze trends of more than two assets. It's great for spotting correlations or divergences. And that's how you compare two charts in TradingView to better visualize trends. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tech tips. See you next time!